What is up, everybody? So, last video you saw that uh my basically what the channel's about, uh my son and basically the tour. Now, as you can see, I still haven't moved that. So, sorry for the little clicky bait, but I'm moving this. So, yeah. Basically in today's video, we're gonna be moving that humongous thing. So first, I need to become the master builder I am and make a new foundation for him. The foundation of this build is going to be the right here. So boom, a boom, boom, and does this, is it, oh, there we go. So yeah, we need a roof. So it's not doing go. I thought I was a good builder. Is it this way? Is it? Oh! I just have the IQ of a peanut. That's what it is. Oh. Well, yeah. So time for construction. This is boring. What am I doing? Time for chaos. Chaos. Ka-chow. Ka-chow. No! My chair! It's fine, it's fine. I can rebuild that like the master builder I am. Quote unquote master builder. I am not a master builder. So yeah. There we go. That's no, that is wrong. Very, very wrong. Anyways, there we go. Oh, this is so uneven and it's driving me insane. Anyways, so yeah. Now, time to build the play area, I guess, for... So yeah, this is basically it. His bed. I don't think that's even a bed. The trampoline that if you go on, you'll hit your head for sure. Ouchie. And the master slide. Okay. I'm so excited for this. Oh, ouchie. Well, yeah, that's basically my child's play place. Go down the slide. Okay, we're gonna watch him go down the slide. Oh, up. Okay, there we go. Go down the slide! Okay, now go down. Jump on it. Jump on it! Are you that fat? Bye. So, this is basically it. That'll be it for today's video. I hope y'all enjoyed today's video, and I will be seeing you later.